Hi, my name's Andy, and today we're going to finally get rid of these tires and wheels that came on the car when I got them. These are 14-inch Krager SS wheels. I'm sure they looked great when they were first put on the car, but I think it's time to put something a little newer, a little nicer on there, a little bigger. Actually, let me grab that tire. All right, this is it. We're going up to a 15x7 with a 225/60/15 tire, a much better upgrade than what's on here. I guess you really can't really tell how that's gonna look, but it's gonna look better. So let's get these old tires off of here and put these new ones on. Truth be told, I tried to get the blue off of here, and this is something, I've done clutches and timing belts and head gaskets and anything, taking apart the motor. I've completely rebuilt my motorcycle motor from the block all the way up, but for whatever reason, I just cannot get the blue off these stupid letters. Anyways, I'll have to take it to the car wash or something and figure it out. I thought soapy water would do it, and this is just not something that I can make a video on. All right, I'll come back and hit up these with a torque wrench at the end. Let's work on the back tire. All right, new wheels and tires. Yes, this was a long battle. I actually ordered these wheels. I started in November, and it was 4 months from the time I ordered until the time I got them. I guess for whatever reason, everybody else in the country needed the same wheel at the same time. I had the tires in December, but the wheels just took forever to get here. And then I've been waiting for the weather to warm up a little bit to put these on. And I can't wait to go driving. I do have to take care of the blue letter thing though. You guys are gonna have to help me out with that. I just struggled with that blue stuff, and I just cannot get it off there. Yeah, so, actually real quick, the covers for these, the ones that come with these wheels, I really don't like. In fact, I ordered a set of these custom CNC ones that fit on here, but the cap for the axle sticks out, and I didn't realize that when I ordered these. Now, thankfully, I got enough I can do the rear set and they fit just fine, but I'm gonna have to figure something out about these. Either I won't run them or maybe dent the cap in. I don't know how much clearance there is behind that, but I would really like to put these on here. I do like the way they look, but I'll get to that later. And then also, full disclosure, I needed to roll the fenders a little bit to get these to fit. And in fact, I actually started to film doing that, and the paint's fine, it didn't ruin the paint, but it was such a Neanderthal way of doing this. I was not proud of it, and I really didn't want to share that and kind of send you guys down the wrong path on how to roll these fenders. It worked, a combination of a heat gun and some old wide fat vice grips and a towel and a rubber mallet and some patience. And I started to film it, but it just did not look good. In fact, actually, before that, I have a fender roller that I put on here, and the fender roller that I have, I've used on 6 to 8 other cars over the last 20 years, and it's been great. But for whatever reason, I don't know, this fender outline here, or the wheel outline is smaller than the other cars, and so it was actually too big to fit, and I couldn't use it to roll the fender, so I had to get a little more physical with the fender. And again, the fender's fine, paint's good, both sides came out great. I just didn't want to film that part. Yeah, so the next step, I got to take this car for a drive. I have been itching to get out, and now that I got these on here, I'm gonna have to go out for a drive. So thanks for sticking with me. We'll see you in the next one.